Greetings people, Paul Muckle here. Today is March 16, 2012 at 1:40 p.m. Eastern Time. Now people, the following video you're about to see, right? I've shown you all bits and pieces of it, but I don't think I've shown you all the entire video before. It's a two-scene shot. One part I took in the late afternoon, the other shot I took in the night, maybe 2 hours later. But the same shot. People, in this picture, in this video, I'm proof to you all, once and for all, that the moon, that I with my spirit, that I have the ability to call upon the moon to strike lightning. That I have the ability to do that, people. I'm going to prove it to you all. I have the ability to wake up the dead. I'm going to prove to you all, people, that the moon is Osiris. I'm going to prove it to you all once and for all, people, that on February 17, 2011, that I'll let you all see the video for yourself, but just to prove, people, okay, that I, with my spirit, can use the moon to cause earthquakes and to cause tornadoes and storms. This is in relation to the Japan earthquake also. Here's the proof, people. Did Paul Muckle have anything to do with Japan earthquake? Did Japan have anything to do with the financial crisis? Is Japan fault why I'm losing my house right now? Of course Japan is involved. Because of Japan, my house is supposed to be foreclosed today, March 16, 2012. Because of Japan. Because Japan invests in these shitty mortgages. Japan gave these banks money to loan us people so that it could pull it up from under our legs later. Japan and Australia is deeply involved in this. So here's the proof, people. Here's the proof once and for all that Paul Muckle can use his spirit to wake up the dead and to bring lightning, tornadoes, and earthquakes. Hey people, today is February 17, 2011 at 5:27 p.m. People, 5:27 p.m. Look at this. First of all, see my Egyptian gateway. Just so in case you all don't know, remember ancient Egypt always had like the two obelisks in the air. There's one obelisk there, one there. And my house is supposed to be the temple, okay? My house is the temple, that's the gate. And here comes Osiris. People, I finally figured out Osiris is the moon. Okay? I finally figured out Osiris is the moon. The moon represents Osiris. I say let it come. Peace. Peace.
The war is actually begun.
Here come the broadside. Lightning and thunder, my lord. Haha, I knew it was coming. I caught it too late. Just don't strike me, okay? Just don't strike me. Whatever you do, my lord, don't strike me. Yes. Babylon, your throne gone down, gone down. Yes, my lord. The sun shall not strike I by day, nor the moon by night. Neither shall lightning strike me. Wow. Oh my Lord. Wow. I felt that one in my heart. People, did y'all see that one? Wow. Oh man, there's another one. Yes, my Lord. Just don't strike me, okay? Just don't strike me, and we'll be good. Okay, my Lord? Just don't strike me, and we'll be good. If you strike me, we're gonna have to have a talk about that. We're gonna have to have an argument about that. No striking me, okay? Wow. Okay, ready. Oops. I wasn't ready yet. You got me, my Lord. I wasn't ready yet. Yeah, I display, people. I display. Okay, this is a display. That's God. That's the voice of God right there. It's not a bearded man in the sky. It's the sun. Okay? It's the sun breaking up the clouds. Right, my Lord? Lightning and thunder, my Lord. You strike me. Hey people, I'm just having fun, okay? Don't pay me no attention. I'm one with the elements. I've been doing this since I was a kid. I love the elements. You have to know, you have to be able to become one with the element. If you can't become one with nature, your spirit could call lightning and thunder. You know what I'm saying? Did I call it? I don't know. I was thinking about it. Whoops. Honestly, people, before this started, I was playing the video on my channel. There's a video on my channel with lightning, but it's colorful. I was playing that video, right? I was thinking about it, and then it started lightning and thundering. So you know what I'm saying? My spirit, you know, it's a spiritual thing. You guys think too much about the physical and the imaginary. Think about the spiritual. When I say spiritual, I don't mean the imaginary spiritual, but the real spiritual, you know what I'm saying? Think about that, the real spiritual, you know. If your spirit could become one with nature, with the stars, with the sun and the moon, and the rain and the clouds, you know what I'm saying? You could be in harmony with them, and you could call upon lightning and thunder. But they're not gonna come if you need it just to show off. They ain't gonna come, but if you really need it, they will come. How did I know I was gonna get lightning and thunder? I didn't, but I was thinking about it and I got it. Right, my Lord? Ready? Ready? Let me know when you're ready. One. Am I gonna count to 3? I shouldn't tempt you, huh? Thou shalt not tempt the Lord thy God. But why not?
As explained earlier,
How else am I gonna learn?
policy is a form of slavery through debt, where it is
Okay, here we
literally
go.
impossible for society to be free. In turn, free market capitalism
No, you're not gonna catch me in the least expect it. Forget about it.
imprison the world and manipulate countries.
I'll wait for it to crack.
To a handful of well-privileged.
Oh, the show is over. Okay. Oops. Speak too quick. Hey people, I swear, I feel like my heart feel like lightning struck. I feel like warm and cozy though. Like you ever got cut and you feel like that, like the warm blood running down you? That's what I feel like inside. Well, it's a good feeling though. Sound weird to you guys, huh? Alright, see, I'm in touch with nature, so with nature is weird. Nature is crazy, so I'm crazy then. If that's the case, I'm in touch with my nature side. You know what I'm saying? Don't laugh at me because I enjoy lightning and thunder. Right, Rara? I'm about to shut up in a minute, Rara. So one last display. There you go. Does that mean you have something better in store? Should I wait? Yeah, okay. I'll give it a few more minutes. You might have something better in store for me, so I won't jump the gun. I'll hold on for a little bit longer, okay? You see, people, you see that? I asked him for one last one and he did it. You see, people, you see? Not by power, not by might, but by my spirit, said the Lord of hosts. We gonna change this world. We gonna free this world. If you have to bring lightning and thunder to crack up your buildings, to knock down your towers, so shall it be. Not by power, not by might, but by my spirit. He's gonna change this world. Okay.
Have no fear for atomic energy, cause none of them can stop the time. How long shall they kill our prophets while we stand aside and
Actually, I guess that's what the last one for now, so I'm gonna shut off for now. Opinion. People look at this while it's still raining, right? But look. Hey, don't leave yet. Oh, there you go. Ha ha ha. Hey, Osiris. Hey, Osiris. People, do y'all know the moon is Osiris also? Ha 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 ha.